Ladies and gentlemen, here we have Mark Morris with his painting Waterfall Glade Unicorns.